A masterpiece of American automotive history. Here's why the 1959 Chevy Impala still turns heads more than 60 years later. That low, slung body, wide stance, and those unmistakable batwing fins were a radical break from the 50s design. Instead of round taillights, it has a unique cat-eye lenses. A first for Chevy. This car represents peak late 1950s excess and elegance. This sport coupe's got a rebuilt 283 turbo fire V8. Powerglide automatic transmission, front power disc brakes, power steering, and it's rolling with classic cruiser skirts. Original paint, original chrome, an iconic wraparound glass. Restored 3 years ago, it's part time machine, part art piece. If you know, you know. It's the 59 Impala legend. Whether collector or enthusiast, this car turns heads and holds value. Call to own a piece of American history.